Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert any PDF document into Word. To begin, we will need to download and install a little software called Calibre. If you don't know how to do it, simply open your browser and just type Calibre and hit enter. Under Calibre ebook management, click on download, click on portable and click download Calibre portable. You will need to wait a few seconds. Once the software is fully downloaded, click on to open the file, double click on the software, choose the location where you want to save it, and click OK. The software will start decompressing. As this is a portable version and doesn't need installation, it will run ad hoc. Once this step completed, you should see Calibre Portable successfully installed to the device, but in reality it doesn't install, it's just a portable version. So we'll just click yes, open the file, and here you have three options, but for converting we'll select or we'll click on Calibre Portable. Double click to run. Wait a few seconds until the software opens up. Fail to contact running instance, just close this one. Choose the language, click next. Here, if you are using a specific device from a specific manufacturer, let's say Amazon, Android, Apple, then you want to choose the one. But if you don't know or you are unsure, just select generic and as a devices, generic e-ink device and click next. Here it says you have successfully set up Calibre, so just click finish and the software should start running. As a next step, open the folder where you have your book or your PDF file saved. Click and drag inside Calibre. So just do it this way. Calibre will start reading the data. So now we can reduce this. Right click with the right button of the mouse and select convert books. So click convert books, convert individually. And here in the output format, you want to select docx as is the equivalent of Word. Click OK. Click on the jobs in the right corner in the bottom. You will see the conversion being done. Once finished, close this one, right click, select save to disk in a single folder, locate the folder where you want to save it. Let's save it here and click select folder. Now it's fully done. It will automatically open and here we have our doc or our Word file as a final result. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.